Hello friends, welcome to Learn Science with me. Today our topic of discussion is liver. The liver is a very important vital organ of our body. It is classed as gland. This vital organ carries out more than 500 important functions in the human body. This is an amazing fact about the liver. After the skin, our liver is the largest solid organ of body. In today's lecture, we are going to cover the structure of liver. This liver is located above and to the left of stomach. The weight of liver is 1.44 kg to 1.66 kg. It is reddish brown in color with a rubbery texture. This liver is divided into two lobes, right lobe, which is larger one, and the left lobe, which is smaller than the right lobe. This right and left lobe is separated by a ligament which is called falciform ligament. This falciform ligament is a round ligament and it attaches the liver to the front body wall. It is a very important ligament. It attaches this liver, this organ, to the front wall of body. The liver is covered by a layer of fibrous tissue. This fibrous tissue covers the liver and provides it a support. This protective layer is called Gleason capsule. All our body organs have a particular blood supply. In case of liver, there is a presence of portal vein and the hepatic artery. The liver has two major sources of blood, portal vein and the hepatic artery. This portal vein brings nutrient-rich blood, oxygenated blood, from gastrointestinal tract, spleen and pancreatic blood to the liver, while the hepatic artery supplies oxygenated blood from aorta to the liver. So this is the blood supply of liver. As we know, all our body organs contain particular type of tissues, specific tissues. So the functional unit of this liver are lobules. Lobules are the functional unit of liver. Each lobule is made up of millions of hepatic cells which are called hepatocytes. We can also say that lobules are the functional and structural unit of liver. These are the specific cells from which the liver is made up of. Whenever we discuss this liver, we always learn very important structure which is a gall bladder, and we also learn bile. So what is this gall bladder and bile? The gall bladder is the pouch-like structure which is present besides the liver. The bile is a fluid which is made and released by the liver. This bile is secreted by the hepatocytes of this liver and it is released from the liver and stored into this pouch-like structure which is called gall bladder. Now we have to understand what is the biliary tract, biliary tree or the biliary system. This biliary tract is the path by which bile is secreted by the liver, by the hepatocytes. Then this bile is transported or transferred to the first part of small intestine which is duodenum. In this structure, in this diagram, I tried my best to tell you what actually the biliary tract is. So here you can see the structure of stomach. This is the liver, this pouch-like structure, gallbladder and the pancreas. So the bile is initially secreted from the hepatocytes of liver. From the hepatocytes, the bile is released or drained from left and right lobe into the left and right hepatic ducts. These ducts join and then they form the common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct descends, then it connects to the cystic duct. Now this cystic duct plays a very important role. This cystic duct allows the bile to flow in and out of the gallbladder for storage and release. This is the common pathway for the bile to store and release. So the bile is stored here and released when there is need of bile. And at this point, the common hepatic duct and the cystic duct combine or join and they form the common bile duct. This common bile duct descends and passes posteriorly to the first part of duodenum. Here you can see this is the stomach and this is the first part of duodenum. When this common bile duct descends, it will link up to the duodenum. There is also presence of the head of pancreas. Here you can see the structure pancreas. So the common bile duct linked up to the two structures. First one is duodenum and the second is the head of pancreas. It is joined by the main pancreatic duct forming hepatopancreatic, which is also called ampulla of Vater. From here the bile then empties into the duodenum. So this is all biliary system from which the bile stores into this gallbladder, and whenever there is need to release this bile, they will enter into the common bile duct. From this common bile duct, the bile enters into the ampulla of Vater, and from the ampulla of Vater, bile enters into the duodenum. The major constituents of this bile is cholesterol. It also contains some of bile acids and bilirubin. Bilirubin is actually the breakdown product of RBCs. This bile is very important in the digestion of fats as it is made up of cholesterol. So due to its composition, due to its nature, this bile helps our body to digest the fats. So this is all about the structure of liver. I hope you understand this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss the functions of liver in detail. So if you understand this lecture, subscribe my channel, Learn Science with me. Hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of new lectures. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you.